Hey guys, my name is Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex. So today is December 31st, 2022, and we're actually about to celebrate the New Year's here in the Philippines. It's actually been almost like 2 decades for me since I last spent New Year's in the Philippines, and for Alex,
about 10 years.
Yeah,
so
quite a long time for the both of us.
So we're currently here at Grand Venice Mall, and we're actually waiting for a few people. Some people that we've seen before, you've met them before on this channel, and some that you haven't seen and that we haven't met as well.
Yeah, that's right.
But we're gonna be celebrating the New Year together tonight, so you're gonna meet them later.
So why don't we walk around while we wait for them, and let's see what's changed in this place.
I think it's called Santa's Village, this area, but it's got a lot of like Chinese Lucky Charms.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, just other random things as well. So they've got a lot of street food here too, and this one's Korean actually. I think that's it.
Alright, so we've actually been to this mall quite a few times. I think for me, maybe 4 times or something, and a couple of those times were with Alex. It gets pretty busy, but right now I think we're early.
Yeah.
It's
not much people right now. I mean, obviously, it's because it's like New Year's, people are gonna be with their families, but it's busy on this area.
Yeah, look, there's a Christmas tree there. That looks awesome. Spirits are high, you guys.
So we just popped inside because it's actually pretty warm outside. But we're just gonna cool down, and we're just waiting for the people to come, and we're gonna have dinner. I'm actually starving.
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry too. We've only had breakfast, lunch actually, one meal to start the day. So we're keen to have dinner tonight.
20 minutes later.
Look how cool this part of Venice Mall is. Just behind me, it's so pretty.
That looks so nice. Well, there's actually like a market
There's a carousel too.
Yeah, let's have a look.
So they've got like a lot of food stalls, and I guess just random things you can buy here too. But yeah, let's check it out.
So I guess you can sort of buy like games, toys and stuff.
A lot of like hair accessories too.
Yeah, and of course food. So you got I think fresh shakes.
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki reminds us of Japan. Wait, let me show you guys. Oh my gosh, heaps of toys and plenty of food as well.
Well, we can't eat right now because we're still waiting. And we're gonna have a really good dinner.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna look at the food for now and crave it, but we're gonna have it later.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Yo! What's up? Oh my gosh, hello! Good to see you. Oh my gosh. Good to see you, man.
How are you doing? Good. How are you, bro? Miss you, man.
Feels good to be back.
Hey, bro. How are you? Good to see you, man.
How are you? Oh my gosh.
I'm Cheno. Nice to meet you. Casey?
Yes.
And John?
John.
Nice to meet you.
We were actually just here. We went to the smaller one because we weren't sure which bridge. Oh, yeah. 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 Baked mac and cheese with chicken and Friday's biscuit glazed pork chop, 1 piece, and then for drinks, one mango de lychee and watermelon mojito. Thank you.
Alright, you guys, so we finally got our food. This is the pork, what was it?
This is pork chop glazed.
Yeah, pork chop glazed. We got garlic rice with it, some corns and veggies. I've also got my mojito because we're starting the night early. Alex
and I just got like baked mac and cheese with chicken and just a drink. But I'm gonna introduce you our friends for tonight. So we have Jan and Anne. Oh, sorry.
Hey guys, hi. How you too?
So we haven't seen them since Japan.
Yeah, since
which
Japan.
was like in October.
Yeah, a few months ago.
Yeah, a few months ago.
Good to
We're
see you
so
guys
happy
again.
we're
Yeah,
back.
likewise, bro.
It feels like just yesterday.
Yeah, I know, it doesn't
Every
feel
time
that
we
long.
see each other.
Yeah. And then we have our new friends, John and Casey, right here.
So they're also vloggers as well, and we've never met them before, so it's nice to finally meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
And everyone in the comments, make sure Jewel starts a new channel. I'm kidding. Hey bro, nice to see you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Tell you guys see this. Happy New Year.
We're all spending New Year's Eve tonight, so I'll take you guys along, and we're excited to party the night away.
Okay, next location, we're here at Uptown Mall.
Look at that.
And
Oh,
there's
that's
so
crazy.
much lighting
Yeah.
everywhere. I think we're just gonna try and find a place for us to grab a couple of drinks with our friends.
Yeah, we're gonna try and see if we can find some fireworks to watch, maybe a rooftop bar. I don't know what the real plan is. We're letting them take over, so let's go ahead.
So our guide for tonight is actually Jan's brother, Jewel. He somehow knows all the place to go to here in BGC.
He seems to know where the spots are.
Exactly, we're gonna go to the rooftop bar. I don't know what it's called, but let's check it out. Okay, so we're here at Brandy's Donuts. Our friends decided to check it out. I think it is a bit expensive in there. But yeah, I think I really want to get the donut tonight.
Me too.
Yeah.
I think I want a bit of dessert before we go out. Let's go.
Let's check it out. They're massive. They're like... There's so much flavors and they're so interesting. But the donuts are massive.
Yeah, it's a bit hard to choose because there's a pretty good selection here, guys.
And I think it's 120 pesos per donut.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah,
and
we're
because
gonna
they are
keep-
huge as well, so we'll show you the size of them.
Do you
once
want to
we buy
get
them.
one?
Oh, yeah, I'm definitely getting one for myself.
Yeah.
You got one for yourself?
It's too big though. Like I can't finish it. I think I might get. I think we should share. It's too big.
We'll see if we decide on a flavor that we want to eat together.
Okay, so we got the s'mores donut, and we got 2 Americano for the night. I think we need it.
Look at our donut though.
Gonna give it a try. It's massive.
What'd you guys get?
I got the Nutella, just Nutella.
Yeah,
But
that's
it's
so good.
huge. It looks so good.
I kind of wanted that too, but Alex wants to share one.
You can take a bite.
Okay, I'll just share with Jen.
It's big enough.
And then what's that one?
This one is the lemon fill.
What did you guys get?
Same, Nutella.
Oh, yeah. I can share with so many people.
Taste test. Let's try it.
That tastes like Nutella.
Look how big that is. Try it.
Okay.
It's actually good.
Yeah? On a scale of 1 to 10.
I think there's something inside.
I don't know.
Probably gonna
Oh, there's nothing
No,
inside.
7.
Bruh, that looks so yummy and it tastes even better. I'm glad we chose the smallest one actually. It's just like, it's crazy sweet.
This is really good.
Good?
It's so it's like 2 pounds.
With all the lemon.
Yeah. How do you guys like yours?
Good.
Super
really
sweet?
Nutella. The
Yeah.
Milo you can taste too, and Nutella.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Later.
So we're about to go to the fireworks now. It's about 11:40. We were just at the bar with everyone and Cheno is nowhere right now because he needs a little help with the guys. We're gonna go to fireworks. There's also gonna be like a concert there, but I don't know if we're gonna make it because we're taking so long to walk. Apparently it's really busy now, so we're just gonna walk there. But yeah, I'll show you when we get there.
A few moments later.